At Johnson Controls, we transform the environments where people live, work, learn, and play. From optimizing building performance to improving safety and enhancing comfort, we drive the outcomes that matter most. Our procurement helps us deliver those outcomes to our customers by focusing on reducing costs, adding value, increasing quality, and creating strategies that win. Let's hear from some of our procurement professionals who are working to support and deploy procurement strategies across our businesses.
I joined Johnson Controls 10 years ago. It is a well-respected corporate citizen. I love my job and I'm very proud of what I'm doing. We contribute the great value on business growth, margin expansion, cash management, and risk management. We are building a world-class supply base and strive to be the top tenant choice for procurement professionals. For any employee in Johnson Controls is a big platform for career development.
This team is valued. This team is recognized. This team is growing. Join us.